Ooh, oh boy, do I have something for you today, boys and girls. So it's Wednesday. This is day 8, I believe. Okay. All right. So first thing you're looking at is your assignment for today. It's going to be under data distributions, and that's under Unit 6. And what I'm looking at is the data distributions practice. It's super easy. It's about mean, median, and mode. I think there's a box and whisker plot question on there. I think it's only 10 questions too. There's an answer key that should be attached on the second page of that. So just make sure that you're doing your work and show me that. If you did not complete the study guide from yesterday, that's also something that I need you to do for today. That's due today as well, okay? If or when you get both of those things done, what I've got for you is kind of are you ready to take this test? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to quizzes, and you're going to go all the way to the bottom, I think. And I've got a Unit 6 Gmass review part 1. Okay, it's just like the other Gmass review quizzes. This one's 10 questions, just like the rest, all multiple choice. So here's the idea. If you take this quiz and you get an 80 or above, so you need to get an 80, a 90, or a 100, that means you're ready to take this test, and I can give you this test. Now, I'd rather not give you the test today because I'm asking you to do a lot, but I will give you the test tomorrow. Okay, so again, we're looking for the data distributions practice sheet. That has to get done today. If you did not finish the study guide from yesterday, please do that today. That's the second thing. And the third thing is, well, third if you didn't do the study guide. The second thing would be, for those of you who did, is this Unit 6 Gmass review practice quiz, and that's part 1. So again, if you get an 80, a 90, or a 100 on that, you're ready to take this test, okay? There really isn't a lot to this unit. I mean, now if you don't get an 80 or above, that means I want you to watch these videos again. So please go ahead and do that. So yeah, okay. There's something that we talked about yesterday from a faculty standpoint, and it's called Pause Fridays. And what that is we are going to give you Fridays, or this Friday at least, kind of a day to catch up on your assignments for all of your classes together. I know that there's a lot that we're giving you. In my case, I'm giving you a lot of work. So that's one thing that we're going to do for you. So all of your teachers should be giving you Fridays to catch up, ask questions, and make sure you're just up to date with everything. So for me, what that looks like is I'm not going to be giving you any new assignments on Friday. I will be available, like I've been this past week and a half or 2 weeks, available for questions that you may have for me. Also, I apologize for not going live yesterday. I had teacher meetings for the majority of the afternoon. In the morning, I just couldn't get this to work how I wanted to. So YouTube is one of the things that is limiting its connectivity and its speed. So that's something that really, really hurts me, actually. Anyway, what else was there that I wanted to talk about? So those 3 things. Oh, the quiz. So this Unit 6 Gmass review quiz. I need you to be really, really careful on this thing. 1 attempt. There is no more attempts. So make sure that when you start this thing, you're in a quiet place where you can kind of work and focus. The time frame is 60 minutes. I'm not giving you any more time than that. So it's 10 questions for 60 minutes. You should be able to figure it out. You should be able to do it. That's 6 minutes per question. And not all of the questions require 6 minutes, okay? So again, 1 attempt only. Please don't ask me to reset it. I'm not going to, okay? And it's 10 questions, 1 attempt, 60 minutes, okay? So again, try to get into a space where you're in good shape, and you'll go from there. At the 2-minute mark, meaning so if you go 58 minutes for this quiz, when there's 2 minutes remaining, it's going to give you a prompt, and it's going to say you have 2 minutes remaining on the quiz. If you're still in the quiz and you have 2 minutes remaining, stop trying to complete problems and just make sure that you bubble in work, right? Don't let this thing time out on you without at least choosing some answer, right? Because if you go to 58 minutes, odds are you don't know some of these questions, which is fine. But don't leave it blank. You know, at least give me your best educated guess, okay? You don't have to text me when you get your results because it's going to tell you what you got right away. I will be checking it periodically through the day. If you want to tell me you got 100, that's awesome. You know, that's a really cool thing. But you don't have to, okay? But you do have to send me the other 2 assignments for today, okay? Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What happened? Oh my goodness. Titan, what'd you do?